Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to leave a review on an order that you already ordered on Etsy website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you opened your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and if you are logged into your account, you'll find yourself with this page and with the welcome back sentence with your name or your username. If you are not logged into your account, or you don't even have an account, you'll find at the top right corner assign an option instead of those options. Of course, from there you'll be able to log into your account or even to create one if you don't have it. Of course, you'll be able to do those both options even with your Google account, Facebook account, or an Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account, and this will be much faster. So once you did one of those options, you will find yourself here with this homepage and with the welcome back sentence. And of course, as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to leave a review on an order on item that we already purchase, sorry. So of course, if you want to do that, just go and click at your icon at the top right corner or your account icon, then click at purchases and reviews. From here, you will find the orders or the purchases that you already have on your account. So of course, you would like just to find the item that you want to add a review on, then just when you find this, you'll find a review option. If you click on it, you will be able to choose the star rating you want to give next to the review this item, then describe the item or the service you received. Of course, you can even upload an optional photo to accompany your review and then just publish your review, and of course you will find this. Let's just click on this as an example. You will find it with those reviews right here. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.